The state government has taken a major decision to support landless farmers under the Balram scheme. It has increased the loan amount provided to these farmers at concessional rates and without collateral to Rs 2 lakh. Previously, the maximum loan amount available under this scheme was Rs 1.6 lakh. This revision comes in response to the latest guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India, following which the state's Agriculture Department decided to enhance the financial assistance available to the scheme's beneficiaries. A significant portion of the struggling farmers in the state consists of sharecroppers who cultivate land owned by others but do not possess land deeds themselves. Due to the lack of land ownership, they are often unable to secure agricultural loans from cooperative societies or banks. As a result, they are left with no option but to borrow from moneylenders or private financial institutions which charge excessively high interest rates. This cycle of debt makes it extremely difficult for them to achieve financial stability, as a large portion of their earnings goes into repaying these high-interest loans. Despite their hard work and dedication, their economic conditions remain fragile. Recognizing these hardships, the government launched the Balram scheme in 2020 to provide financial assistance to such farmers. Initially, the scheme promised loans of up to Rs 1.6 lakh, offering them much needed relief. However, to further ease their financial burden and ensure better access to resources, the government has now increased the loan limit to Rs 2 lakh. This decision aims to empower landless farmers, providing them with greater financial security and helping them sustain their agricultural activities without falling into the trap of exploitative lending practices. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.